Hello, this is Lucas here at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Today I'm going to be showing you the Sea Ray SLX 310. It is a 31-foot boat. This boat is going to be in the horizon gray and black and white hull. Walk in the back here. We'll jump on here. You'll see the gray sea deck. Great loungers for your day out in the water. Does have the retractable sunshade. Merc engines with the fold down hydraulic platform. Walking on here, you'll see that again you have the sunshade, but you also have the moonroof up in there. This is the stone gray interior. Plenty of seating for all your friends, plenty of storage for all your gear and accessories for your day on the water. Seat here will turn around in front of this seat. We'll go ahead and turn it. Button down here. Main helm is what you're seeing here. In front of your passenger's helm, you do have your head. Walking to the bow, you have plenty of room. Does have a spot for a table. Retractable armrest. Big stainless steel windlass. Plenty of space. Beautiful hardtop. Does have the joystick. Beautiful helm. Give me a call here today at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. My name is Lucas, and come check out the 310 SLX.